And let's discuss some research topics in different fields. As maybe few students thought that professor or our instructor is just giving example from computer science, it's boring, am I right? Who are from other fields, they feel bored or they think that he is providing example from their field. But you see, if you explore, you will find many topics. Just for example, in health science, the topic may be what effects does the fast food have on overall health? Fast food have negative or positive or something? What effects you want to study? You can do it, do this research, and ways to manage schizophrenia in teenagers. You know, schizophrenia is a mental related disease. Maybe it become abnormal. Okay, so you can also do research how to manage. Should vaccination be avoided to prevent autism? Sometimes, okay, vaccination can prevent autism or not. Okay, you can also work on the topic. Also, genetically modified food hurting the health. Okay, genetically modified food means broiler. Okay, layer. This kind of hens are hurting our health or not. This kind of thing can be explored. There are many topics, and in education, some topics may be how can bullying be prevented in elementary schools. You know, in the elementary school, the children, bulls is other. Sometimes it become very serious issue. So how can we prevent it? Also, how can the achievement gaps of the students from different socioeconomic backgrounds be bridged in education? Sometimes, you know, those who are come from poor family, those who are from rich family, there is a achievement gap. So how to reduce it, and what can be done to increase the amount of graduating high school students choosing to attend college? Many students are dropping out from the school, they're not joining college. How to increase it? So this may be a topic of education sector. And in social science, there are many. Social science has many subdivision like communication, journalism, political science, psychology. There are some examples. For communication, looks at how people learn lie more effectively. Okay, and in journalism, why fewer readers are reading newspapers compared to online news sources? Okay, and the political science, it may be what are the political differences between Bangladesh Awami League and BNP? There are two parties in Bangladesh, well-known parties, Bangladesh politics. So what is the political views of these groups? You can also explore as a political science student. Also study about suicide among the SSC students. You know, after passing secondary school, many students adopt suicide. Why? You can explore. Okay, also our children are working mothers at long-term disadvantage as opposed to the children of stay-at-home mothers. There is few mothers, they do job outside, and is this practice as a disadvantage on the children? You can explore this topic as a which field it should be. Can you tell me? Is there anyone from social science? No? No one from social science? Everyone from engineering and science? So we can send it to the psychology. Am I right? We can also send it to other field as well. I don't know. Okay. And from the information technology, there are many things. I am from computer science, and you know, I can tell many research topic, but here are some topics that can be explored. How can cybersecurity be improved to prevent election fraud? Is current technology used for children helpful or harmful? Is modern technology creating a dumping down of individuals? Are we become clever, or we become dumping down using the technology? How does social media change individuals' perception of society and themselves? This can be information technology research, related research, but I provided lectures in Sylhet Engineering College. Maybe I forgot it, and I told a lot about the research trends in electrical, ETC, CSC, ICT, and IT related fields. And these are some subjects you can explore. Data mining, data warehousing, IoT, Internet of Things, big data, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, image processing, augmented reality, brain informatics, and cyber security, NLP. Many things are there. I just also posted on ResearchGate, and many other researchers commented on my post. And also you can explore the website of MIT. You can explore Harvard and also explore Oxford to see the research trends. So I provided these lectures on virtual Sylhet International University ICT Fest in 2021. You can explore from my YouTube channel. And Alhamdulillah, we have covered 2 lectures today, up to today. Alhamdulillah, in the first lecture, we introduced to this course and what is research and what are the opportunities for researchers, and we provided motivation. And today we discuss about the roadmap of the research and the skills and qualities required to be a researcher. And also I shown how to search a topic in efficient way. And I also show some strategies how to search it in logically. And we also demonstrated on website connected papers to show you how papers is connected to each other and how to find out the most relevant work, most significant work in your field, because the papers which is cited more, it signifies that this paper is important. And also we showed some research trends in different fields. So what is your task? This course is much more practical oriented. We don't only provide lectures. So what you have to do before next class, you have to form a team, and probably I will share contact details with you of each team member, maybe email, contact number, and also department. And you can also then discuss with each other. And you don't need to confine yourself, like you're from computer science, you don't need to confine yourself to the computer science. You can make team with health science and do collaborative research. What can we say? Interdisciplinary research or multidisciplinary research. Okay, you can just, for example, in health science, you can use the machine learning, deep learning, or other computer vision technologies to contribute there. Or who are in health science don't need to make a group with the similar field. You are open to make team with any other field. Am I right? So this is your task. And the next lecture we are going to cover, okay, as we have to study related papers for literature review. So how to assess the quality of the journals or publishers, so that we read the good papers, good quality journals. Also, it is important to decide whether my paper will be submitted. So, and there are some predatory or fake journals, publishers, how to identify them. And if you don't know how to download papers freely, I also mentioned it today, but I can again repeat it if you failed. Okay. So Azan has given. I can give you just maximum 2 or 3 minutes to if you have any questions. Okay. So we can stop recording right now. Thank you. Thanks for your joining. Here are some references. Thank you for your participation. If you have any questions, you can ask me.